Store the Pesti rechargeable sprayer in its included pouch in a cool, dry place after use. After rinsing the tank with clean water and running a small volume through the nozzle to clear residue, remove batteries or place the unit on charge if the battery is low, then allow all parts to dry before packing. Wipe down the exterior and check seals and gaskets for damage or chemical buildup, replacing any compromised components to maintain a good seal. Store the unit upright to prevent stress on the pump diaphragm and to reduce the chance of leaks or trapped liquid near electrical contacts. Keep the pouch in a location away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures because heat can degrade plastics and battery life. Label the storage area with the date of last cleaning and next service check so the sprayer is ready for scheduled applications. If storing for more than 1 week, open the tank and leave it ventilated in the pouch to prevent trapped moisture and odors. Common issues include residual chemical crystallization that clogs the nozzle and pump, so always perform a thorough rinse and run clean water through the system until it flows clear, and replace the nozzle if buildup persists. Another concern is battery degradation from leaving the unit discharged. Prevent this by charging the sprayer after use if the battery indicator shows low, and by storing the device at partial charge if you will not use it for many weeks. A third frequent problem is seal and gasket failure from chemical exposure, so inspect these parts after each use, lubricate with a manufacturer-recommended silicone grease if applicable, and keep spare seals on hand to swap in quickly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical resources related to equipment care like sprayer storage tips to keep tools ready. We host a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, ask questions, and post recommendations so homeowners and contractors can learn from real-world use.